Hey everyone, welcome. This is WFIX. I'm glad you're here and I'm gonna be giving you awesome value. At the end of this video, you're going to find out how you're going to earn $2,400. $2,400. So I want you to stay to the end of this video. So right now you can see this is my channel, the WORTH crypto trading channel. In this channel you get the basic knowledge of how to trade the cryptocurrency, how to exchange coins, how to know when to get in the market on the right time to make potential profits. I keep giving you updates and updates of accurate tokens that you're going to have long-term investments in them and reap the fruit of your investments. So here I'm going to be sharing with you the skill set. I'm going to be sharing with you the mindset, the psychological mindset you need to succeed in this business. And I'm going to share with you the tool sets, different laptop, phones, desktop computers you're going to need to get this business up and running. Thank you so much. You're here to learn, and you're here to learn how to earn, and you're here to learn how to gain financial freedom. So I want you to click that like button, I want you to share this video, and I want you to subscribe to stay up to date on current events. I'm so glad about the current situation in the crypto market, and today I'll be sharing with you an awesome token. So if you're not a follower, go to YouTube, type for WORTH and subscribe to this channel. So let's go ahead and show you how you can be able to earn $2,400 directly to your wallet. So I'll move over to Trust Wallet. This is the Trust Wallet we use. Trust Wallet. So you open up the wallet and the wallet opens up. So this is my lesson account. This is an account I created to teach you guys how to get these coins to your wallet. The link will be dropped below. The video is going to be above. The link is going to be dropped in the description section. The link is going to be dropped in the Telegram group chat, and you'll be able to get it on the YouTube description section or inside the Telegram group chat. So this is Trust Wallet. And this Trust Wallet is a unique wallet where we claim tokens, we also store tokens, and it has this DApp function. The function of DApp is for you to have a wallet that have the advantage of going into the internet and surf the internet and also make payments with your wallet attached to the internet. So it's amazing. So today I'll be showing you how you can be able to claim this $2,400. You need to have your Ethereum wallet. This is an Ethereum wallet. And how did I add this Ethereum wallet? You go over to here, you go over to this spot, and you type ETH over here. I typed ETH over here. So here you can see we have different wallets. Different wallets. Here you can see ETH BEP2, you can see ETH TRC20, you can see Strike ETH, but the ETH you need is just the plain ETH, and which is this ETH ERC20. Here you can see Ethereum token ETH, which is BEP20. This is Ethereum Classic, the bet or the junior baby of Ethereum. So we are going to activate this. You have to click and toggle on this. Yeah, you see this is blue now, and it's ash. You have to put it on, and you head back to the wallet. You click over here, this back icon, and head back to the wallet. So I've clicked on it. We're back here. So you open up this Ethereum. We're going to come back to copy this address. We're going to come back to copy this wallet address. But before that, I will go to the browser, the DApp browser. I clicked on DApp on your Trust Wallet. You can also use MetaMask for those that are using iPhones. You can use MetaMask. I was able to gain access to MetaMask and use the DApp function. So I'll come here and I'll paste the link. This link I paste over here, I'll drop it in the description. This link I'll drop it in the description. and also I'll drop it in Telegram group. You need to join the Telegram group. You need to subscribe to our channel. I want to hit a target of 1,000 subscribers, so you need to do that. So after that, I will click over here and run this. I'll click over here and run it. Okay. So the site has opened up. This is YFIX. It's like Yen Finance. Yen Finance is a coin created by the Chinese economy. It is like Chinese own coin. So it is like the Bitcoin of China. Yes, except from Bitcoin itself, it's like the Bitcoin of China. So this is a free token you can be able to claim. If you load up this site, they will ask you to paste your ERC20, and I've showed you how to copy it. After you paste that ERC20, you will be able to earn 1 YFI over here, 1 YFI over here. And after you earn this 1 YFI over here, you can be able to withdraw it directly to your wallet in Trust Wallet. You would withdraw it, and then it's going to have the equivalent of 2,400, and you'll be able to swap this on PancakeSwap. So it's going to be listed on PancakeSwap very soon. You need to get these coins in your wallet. You're not charged for it at all. You're not even charged a penny. You're not even charged a nickel. You're not charged $1, nothing. Just put in your ERC20, the wallet I showed you. You're going to paste it in. There is going to be an option. I've done mine already, that's why it is here. You're going to paste it in, and you're going to start earning this wallet. You can see my wallet is already attached here. So that's just it. So we're going to proceed from here to the next level of how to get this to PancakeSwap. But right now you have to get this done before this timer elapses. This is 23 days to it get listed on PancakeSwap, and then we'll be able to sell it off. I will keep you updated. So like and subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated when I drop this update. Thank you so much, and God bless you.